Hello viewers, there is no such good offers in flipkart.com, but in amazon.in I can see that there is an offer on Redmi Pad 2 Pro. You can buy Redmi Pad 2 Pro under the price point of 22,000 rupees. 128GB version is available in amazon.in. With HDFC credit card you will get over 2,000 rupees discount, that is instant discount. And also there will be no cost EMI, so this is a very good offer. I would say the best price for this tablet is actually 21,000 rupees, but if you have urgency you can buy right now. Now many people are asking me whether they can buy iPad 11th generation at around 31,000 rupees or not. The answer is no. Don't buy iPad 11th generation right now by spending 31,000 rupees, because the real price or the actual price for iPad 11th generation in 2026 is around 28 to 29,000 rupees maximum. Oneplus Pad Go 2 is available at 30,000 rupees for the 256GB along with Stylo 2.0. So people are asking me whether this is a right price for this tablet or not. I think the right price for this tablet is 27,000 rupees, maximum 28,000 rupees. So you should not buy Oneplus Pad Go 2 right now by spending 30,000 rupees for the Stylo 2.0. Xiaomi Pad 7 Nano Texture display is available at a price point of 27,000 rupees for the 256GB variant. I think this is one of the best tablets that you can buy. The Nano Texture display is available at 27,000 rupees, so you can make the purchase if you have urgency. Otherwise, if you wait for few days, you will get this tablet at 25,000 rupees. Many people actually want to know the next sale. So I think the holy sale will start towards 13th or 14th of March and it will last till 21 of March. So wait for that sale, maybe there will be great sale. Many people actually want to know the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Actually S10 FE was sold at a price point of 30,000 rupees, so the best price for this tablet is 29 to 30,000 rupees maximum during sale. So in the conclusion, there are some tablets which I mentioned in this video that you can buy, but if you don't want to buy these tablets, you have to wait for another sale. I will let you know about the best deals and offers on tablets and iPads, so keep subscribed with the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.